What? What? These look good.
Ooh, that turkey stuffing's nice. Yeah.
He turned his PlayStation on. Cookies that were fresh out of the oven. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is actually an exciting day because my family are coming up and I'm hosting a birthday party for me. It's actually my birthday on the 19th of December, but everyone's busy obviously, close to Christmas. So we're doing my family dinner today. And I've got the table out. I'm making a few bits from M&S, which I will show you now. I got some of those ribbons for the tree, so I need to put them on, but otherwise I'm ready. Okay, so you're on my cooker right now, so let's hope you don't fall down. Let me show you the little nibbly bits I got from M&S. Okay, so it's about 11:15 now. They should be here about 11:30, 12, I think. So we've got the garlic dough balls, the smoked salmon appetizers, cooked deli spring rolls, crispy tempura vegetable fritters, the mini Yorkshire puddings with beef. That looks good. Okay, so I'll put them in just before they come. So I'm making the chicken pie with mash and veg as like the main kind of meal, and it's off TikTok, obviously. My whole life's off TikTok, I need to stop. But it's called the Marry Me chicken pie. I don't know if you've seen it or heard of it, but it looks nice. So I'm gonna prep that now and then pop it in the oven later, I think. I don't know, let's see what we need to do. I've got the fire roaring, ready to go. I've got Albus in his new little bed. You okay? And then the Christmas tree. I think the ribbons look quite sweet. And if you've been following my shorts, you'll know I've been opening the Rituals Advent Calendar every day. So I've just popped it on here as like a display when you walk in. It's so nice. And I forgot to show you, I got these meringues from M&S. They look amazing, don't they? You ever had this custard from M&S? Oh my gosh, if not, you need to. It's the best ever. So I have some sun-dried tomatoes. I'm going to put some juice into the pan and cook the onion, the white onion with the juice. So I've got 3 cloves of garlic, 1 whole onion chopped, and the oil of this in there to cook. And then I'll just add the chicken, spinach, cream, and I'm going to add a bit of flour to make it thicker. Once the onion has started to brown slightly, 300 ml of chicken stock, a whole thing of double cream, the sun-dried tomatoes finely chopped, and the herbs. Lovely. Yay. Hello everyone. I think the last clip that you saw was my birthday meal with my family. I don't even think I got a shot of the final pie. I'll have to, if I've shown you, I'll show you. If not, sorry about that. The whole point of filming it was to show you the pie, and I don't even think I've shown the pie. But anyway, my birthday was lovely. We had such a nice time. We kind of just chilled in the end, and I didn't film much afterwards because we were all just catching up and chatting and watching a film, so it was perfect. I think today we're going to go to M&S and B&M and just see what's in there for the Christmassy stuff. So I'll take you along, probably on my phone. I get the fear bringing my vlogging camera, so I'll just take my phone and show any bits that we're going to get. I've been after the gingerbread, is it gingerbread and white chocolate cookies? Forever. We've been to about 3 different ones, can't get them. So hopefully we'll find them. But yeah, this vlog's probably just going to be a mashup of the past week or so of everything we've been getting up to in the run up to Christmas. Can't wait. I'm really excited for Christmas. I'm so ready. I'm so ready to just chill and have fun, eat good food, end of the year, be off work. Oh, I'm so looking forward to it. Anyway, let's take you to M&S. Just want more of these. These are really nice. There's a lot of prawn stuff. Oh yeah, I reckon we got them fair ones last time for my birthday and nobody liked them. Do you remember? Oh yeah. Like any Christmassy bits that they've got in. Oh, look at that. How much is the vegan one? These look good. We're back home now. They didn't have a B&M, it was just an M&S. But I filmed a few bits and bobs to show you what kind of Christmassy bits they have. But they did have some cookies. They were only milk chocolate chip ones. They weren't the gingerbread and white chocolate because they were all sold out. Because they're always sold out. So I'll just show you what we got, some bits. Because tonight, what time is it? It's nearly 5:30. We're going to watch the Strictly final with some little picky bits. We've gone for a picky tip. Worcester sauce crisp, salt and vinegar crisp. I found these gingerbread milkshakes. The cookies that were fresh out of the oven. I asked the man and he was like, of course, we've got some milk chocolate cookies. I've got the viral the turkey feast dip. This, we tried the other one. What was the other one called? Oh yeah, we tried the chicken Caesar dip of this. Really nice, so I thought we'll try that. And another dip that we found is the Indian loaded dip. Indian style loaded dip. And there's chickpea, mango chutney, coriander yogurt and pickled onion, red onion. So I thought that would be a nice little dip. We've got one of the butter shortbread projection trees. This is for our post lady. I got some chocolates last year and this year we've got an M&S tree. And then for the party nibbly food, it's £4 for £3. No, it's 4 for 3. So we got the chicken shawarma kebabs. We got the mini pies, chicken and leek. These. So for my birthday meal a few days ago, we did a few picky bits as well from M&S for like just to start, and then in the evening I did the pie and mash, and these were one of the things we had and they're really good. If you can get your hands on the Yorkshire puddings, this was the last one, and the ones we got last time were the last box as well. The last thing we got was the scampi and chips. This was the last box as well. So we're gonna cook a few of these, have some picky bits with the crisps and the cookies and the dips, and watch Strictly. What isn't?
These kebabs. freeze it now, can I?
Not in the freezer anyway, they were in the fridge.
Yeah, that's what I mean, but now I've opened it. So the only time you should freeze something is when it's not opened.
Yeah, but you just put them back in the fridge, no? We are just getting ready for Strictly. Wallace and Gromit's on at the moment. They're on trousers before Strictly start. I'm just going to light the fire. We've got a biofuel fire, so we use the fuel. There we go. And you just light it. I'm going to set the dips out. Food's in the oven. Let's lay all this out nice. Fire's on. Crisps. Put the dips in the crisp, and then I'll put some foodie bits there. Hello. I think we'll keep the cookies and the milkshake for after.
Okay.
So this is the Indian dip. Yeah, I think I want salt and vinegar with the turkey one. I wasn't sure on the Indian dip because I'm not a massive fan of coriander.
Coriander, yogurt, and pickled red onion. It's nice. You taste coriander.
I can taste the coriander after. I'm one of them people that don't like coriander, but it's not too strong. All the flavours are quite subtle in it though.
That'd be nice for like mini poppadoms.
Mini poppadoms, yeah. This is what it looks like. Give it a go. I'll try it without the cranberry first, like this bit. So I've got a bit of turkey bacon, and it's on a salt and vinegar crisp, so it's quite plain.
Ooh, that turkey stuffing's nice. Yeah.
Oh my god. Guys. That's the one. That's better than the Caesar one. It is so creamy.
I think I prefer that over the Caesar one.
Yeah, the Caesar one was nice, but I think it was too much sometimes. That's creamy. Tastes like turkey, tastes like stuffing.
A bit of warm bread. Lightly buttered warm bread. That'd be perfect.
Yeah. I mean, it's Christmas. These things aren't healthy, but it's Christmas, guys.
Make a sandwich out of that.
Yeah, that's really nice. I recommend that. So we've got the scampi and chips in little cones. Chicken elite pies. Strictly's on ready. and we've got some Yorkshire puddings and chicken kebabs. We're ready to go. Still watching Strictly, and if you didn't cry during Chris and Diane's final dance. What? What? I don't know. I'm hoping they win, like I said before. Not long left. Don't mind me, I've been crying at Chris and Diane's dance. They did the Shine On dance for the final, and it's incredible, and it makes me cry, and I hope they win. Hobbs is here too. You enjoying Strictly? Yeah? You enjoying Strictly Come Dancing? It's the next day now, and we bought some of these frames from the Home Base closing down sale, and I have these William Morris prints. They're really nice. They're on they're like a canvas. So we got 3 of them off TikTok shop for £7, I think. Bargain. So we've just got the frames and we're just putting them in. And they are going to go on this wall. So the stairs curve up. I've got my Debbie Boone print there at the moment, but I think that's going to go in our bedroom. And I think I'm going to do them 1, 2, 3, like to fill up that space a bit more. So I'll show you that when we're done. Oh, and I've also got some of this laminate. It's just the adhesive one. I have used it before, but I'm going to try and do it in the bathroom floor. At the moment, we've got the floor that came with the new build. What is it? It's not vinyl, but it's not real tile. And I'm not a fan of the dark grey. So I'm going to try and laminate that with that. So I will also keep you updated. Okay, we're going to try and get these prints up. Don't mind my hair, I've just washed it. I just said let's hang the prints, and he turned his PlayStation on. I hope you enjoyed that little mashup of bits and bobs that we've been up to this week. I didn't do the floor today in the bathroom, so I will probably film that for a vlog next week. I'm hoping to film a bit over Christmas and Christmas Day, so I can kind of do a mashup of that maybe just after Christmas and between New Year. Next week is my birthday and Hitesh has taken me to see Wicked, which I'm really excited about. I've never seen it before. He had this planned for months before all the hype about Wicked even came out. I didn't even realise the film was coming out this year. So I've not seen the film yet. I'm waiting to see the show, and then I think we'll go and see the film, although it's proven very difficult because I'm so tempted to go and see it in the cinema. So I'll film bits of that. But yeah, and thank you so much for watching. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.